Hey guys, welcome to yet another review videos on the Kinesio Taping application done incorrectly by a taping instructor himself on his Instagram handle. In this video, we are going to review the incorrect stretch percentage applied during application as mentioned in his caption for the overused tight muscle for the purpose of inhibition. Now for the students' reference, we have kept the slides from the KTAI USA which governs the Kinesio Taping application. The correct stretch percentage mentioned for the inhibition technique is 15 to 25%. But if you check out his video, you will clearly see the incorrect way of application, that is simply a paper of tension. Now students should be aware of such instructor and should invest their hard-earned money to do a course either from a certified practitioner or instructor himself. Thank you.